Hey, today I'm going to be making a tortilla pizza. Let's get started. So, you get your tortillas, right? Then you get your sauce, homemade. What else do you want? I don't know. Some cheese. That'd be cool. And I got some fajitas that I made, I don't know, a week ago. So we've got all our ingredients. Our oven is set to 500. I like to use parchment paper just so it's a little easier cleanup, you know, when working with your ingredients. Cheese tortillas, again, you know, Chi, do you love me? You know, I'm a big boy, so I like to do 2 of these. I think it's a good portion, I believe. So you get your sauce that you made, hopefully homemade. There we go. And then get yourself a spoon, or however else you want to put the, you know, put the sauce on the za, as I like to call it. I think 2 healthy scoops, healthy spoonfuls is fine. And then, let me put the light on. There we go. You know, you just you spread it out. Not my favorite part, but just gotta work with what you got. You know, I'm not Italian, but I like to think somewhere my ancestors were pretty good cooks. They probably made some pizzas back in their days, in the I don't know, 18th century or something. You gotta hold the tortilla. It's just not moving around. You don't want that. Get a good spread. What a lovely activity. Sometimes you might be like, I think I've got too much on one of these, so you just, and then you put it right there. Lovely. Love it. Alright, something I like to do personally. I like to put my ingredients on the pizza before I put the cheese. This is just a simple mix of peppers, onions, black beans, some chicken. You know, good fajita ingredients. Man, I could eat this stuff every day. And I do. But it's just so good. It's so easy to make. Perfect. You know, you gotta love the simple things in life, and I think cooking a nice home-cooked meal is easily one of the best things in life. So now, something I also like to do, people may find it repulsive. I Put a little barbecue sauce on the pizza. You know, I like a little sweetness in everything. Come on. There we go. You might be thinking, oh, that's a sriracha bottle. Well, you're wrong. Oh, I mean, you're right. It is a sriracha bottle. But I just love the ease that, you know, sauces come out of it. So I just like to reuse them. I use a ton of sriracha. Being, you know, the pepperhead that I am. Gotta love that sauce. Now it's time for the cheese. I've always said you never want too much cheese because you gotta let the other ingredients come through. So like this, a good amount of cheese, in my opinion. Some people like to smother their pizzas in cheese, but me being a little sensitive to the lactose, decided that's probably not the best idea. Perfect. Here you have it, folks. We've got our tortilla pizzas, our fajita pizzas, and pop these bad boys in the oven. Woo! It's hot. Alright, I'll come back in about 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and see how they look. Okay, so after like 8 minutes, here's what we got. Wow, those are beautiful. I cannot wait to eat these bad boys. So yeah, thanks for joining me on cooking with Ketusky. I'm gonna enjoy this lovely pizza with my ranch. Peace out.